DIY with AJ. I am Anjali, and this is such a long time that I am recording a video, and it's quite awkward for me sitting in front of the camera again alone. But today I brought a very fun DIY that kids will love, and you will also love if you want to gift someone and you want to give them a little surprise. It's a magic card based on a very simple idea. For that, you need some basic materials. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
First of all, take a A4 size paper. Then you will need a transparent sheet, the colors of your choice, a pencil and a scale. First, take the A4 size paper and fold it in half. After folding it, take another sheet and fold it in half and cut only one part of it so that it will fit exactly in the first one. Then take a scale and draw a margin of 1 centimeter all around it to make a box or a rectangular shape. Now with the help of a cutter, cut it neatly. See, after cutting it will look like this. Now I'll take my transparent sheet and I will cut my transparent sheet to the size of my card. Then you will take the glue. Here I am using the Fevicol glue. You will paste it to the border and you will press it nicely so that it will stick. Then here your card will look like this. It will look very nice when it is complete. Now we are ready for coloring. Here I am using Dom's sketch markers. You can use any colors and you can draw anything that you want. I am just drawing a random scenery of a beach. You can even draw a birthday cake, a heart for Valentine's Day card. You can customize this card in the way you like. Since I was not making this for a particular reason, so I am just drawing a scenery. Dom's marker are very nice and easy to use. I will post a review on this very soon. These are very artist friendly and children can also use it effectively. Remember, when you are drawing, don't use the black color because we will use the black color only at the outer part when our drawing will be complete. After completing the drawing, take the black marker and now draw the outline of your drawing. After drawing the outline, don't fill too much. Just give little bit of details, little bit of outline and some minor details, like here I am drawing the birds, and then insert the paper. This was little small, yes, the paper that you have cut, and now your card is ready. Have a look. Ta-da! See how amazing it looks and how easy it was. Thank you for watching.